Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Wednesday, April the 14th. I'm going to be doing this SPY webinars, if you call it that, videos on Wednesday or some other day to keep it separate from my Genie trading, okay? So let's do it. This is the third week and as usual, I will click anywhere really and right click and say adjust cash and just pretend that I'm adding another $500 for savings. Okay, so our amount is increasing $500 and then say okay, and you'll see how this amount changes from 1015 to 1500, and there it is. Okay, all right, so we're going to buy another 1 share of the SPY. So click here and you see what the previous prices were, and so we are above both of them. Okay, so now we're going to buy at $411. Go to the Analyze tab and simply click look at the prices at simulated trades and then look at the bid and ask. We click on the ask and that's the price we're going to pay. Instead of 100, we're going to just add 1 share. And that will be $411, which is almost all of my capital that I just deposited, those $500. On this first day, we saved about $100. Then on the second day, another $100, and this a third. So you will end up with close to $300. Let's do that and send that. It'll leave us with almost $300. And it will fill at any time. There it is, we bought. Okay, so now we have 303 shares, equivalent to 300 shares of stock, 3 options to call. No, I'm sorry. We have 3 shares. That's what we have, not 300, no nothing, 3. Okay, so we are going to accumulate until we get to 100, say, and then we could sell calls against it. Right now we can't. We would have to have 100 of those, so we can't play that game, unfortunately. Okay, so since the opening, we have a profit of $15. All right, that's all we have. Very slowly, it will come very slowly, but eventually it will fill up. We remember, this is a strategy that we are going to do very long term. Okay, so if you are 40 years old, perhaps you shouldn't play this game. If you're 50, even my age, I wouldn't be doing it because I would never live long enough to see this actually make a difference in my life. It might make a difference if you are a young person and you want to accumulate that wealth, a little piece at a time, a little 400, 500 every time. Also, I'm doing this weekly, but if you can't afford it, you can do that monthly or bi-weekly or every 2 months, just as long as you do it regularly, okay? A regularly scheduled entry. I'm doing it weekly, but you can do it once a month, every 2 months, even once a year, although that's not a whole lot to say, okay? As long as you have 300, almost $400, yeah, $400 or so that you can invest on that, this will be the way to invest. That's all for today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much.